Guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I make my tomato paste at home. So first you want to start by putting all your clean tomatoes in hot boiling water so that you can be able to remove the skin, or so that you can be able to skin your tomatoes. After the water has cooled down, you're going to skin your tomatoes one by one and removing all the blemishes. I always buy tomatoes that are overripe because this is easier for me to make good tomato paste, and also they are cheaper. So when you go to the grocery lady, you ask her for the overripe tomatoes, and after you skin them, you want to cut them. You want to cut them into half so that you can make sure that the inside is also in good condition. And then I chop them in chunky pieces and put them inside my blender jug. So I went ahead and skinned the rest of the tomatoes and cutting them in the middle just to check inside, and then cutting them into chunky pieces and putting them inside my blender jug. So here are the rest of the tomatoes in my blender jug. So I just went ahead and blended the tomatoes as is off camera. I did not add any water. And then you're going to add your blended tomatoes in a sufuria so that you can cook them. After all the water has evaporated from the mixture, this is what you will get. So your tomato paste is finally ready, and remember to cook this on very, very low heat. After it has cooled down, you want to go and put it in a container, and I like to store mine in the freezer. So that's it guys for today's video. That's how I make my tomato paste at home. So simple. I think anyone can be able to do this. Please let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions, and thank you for coming to my channel. Welcome back, and thank you for your time. Bye.